3 years after Rebekah Bletsch was gunned down while jogging in Muskegon County, her case is about to go to trial.
Today, a judge denied Jeffrey Willis's motion to suppress evidence in the upcoming trial. The trial will move forward next week.
24-Hour News 8's Evan Dean talked with Bletsch's father about today's developments, new at 6.
Yeah, Brian and Sue, good evening. This was a key hearing, not only for what evidence will be allowed at trial, but also for its start date. Had the judge ruled the other way, we could have had yet another delay in this case. But now we are slated to get underway starting next Tuesday. And for the victim's father in this, it is a day he has long waited for.
And they're doing everything they can, exhausting every avenue.
Nick Winberg isn't shy when sharing his thoughts about all the motions filed by Jeffrey Willis's attorneys.
Jeffrey Willis is like a rat in a trap. And I hate to say it, but he's got what I call his rat handlers, and they're doing everything they can to get him off.
The latest aimed at suppressing evidence. Public defender Fred Johnson claims police did not have probable cause needed when they searched Willis's home in May of last year.
They had my client, they had a van, but that's all they had.
You'll recall the police search of Willis's home resulted in the seizure of his computer. An expert testified that it had photographs of Rebekah Bletsch on it, along with her initials and date of death on a computer file, among other things. Prosecutor DJ Hilson argued against the motion. He called a detective to the witness stand to illustrate what evidence was gathered and when.
At this point.
Ultimately, the judge shot down the motion, paving the way for the evidence to be allowed at trial.
If there was a good faith reliance on the warrant, which I find there was, there isn't going to be any exclusion even if it was lacking in probable cause. So for that reason, the motion is denied.
That, in effect, means the trial will, after several delays, finally get underway next week. And Rebekah Bletsch's father is more than ready.
When there's a conviction and a sentencing, I'm looking forward to my family healing.
While the Rebekah Bletsch trial will start next week, Willis still awaits trial in the 2013 murder of Jessica Herringa in Norton Shores and the abduction of a teenage girl in Muskegon County last year.